Iva and welcome to my channel. Wonder what is in these plates? Worms. These are made of tissue papers. And my mother did this to me, so we're gonna see if we put water on it. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, so here it goes. First, let's do the purple one. Do the purple one first. Oh my god! This is so awesome! Oh my gosh, okay, let's put it over there. Let's add some more. Okay. Okay, let's add, okay, let's, shoot! I think this is perfect. Let's do the blue one now. The blue one faces looks sad. Wow, this is awesome. This is very awesome. Okay, let's put it over there. Next, last one. Okay. Now the last is one. Red. How long is this? This is very long. Okay. Are you interested in this? Now I'm going to tell you how I made this. So guys, these are all the stuff that I teach you how to make the worms grow. So we've got purple marker, red marker, and blue marker. And we've got this giant black marker to make the face. And we got this tissue box to roll, and this is for this pencil to roll it. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you how we make it. First we get the tissue paper, and then we take any color, I want purple, and then we just do like this, and then make it into a line, a straight line, whatever you want to call it. Okay, got this one. Look how pretty this is. Okay, let's make another one. Okay, another one. And then we got the last one. Okay, I'm all done. All done. Look how pretty this is. And then we take the pencil and then we put it on the top of the tissue paper, and then we roll it, and this is for the tissue. Look. Squeeze it, and then we take it out. Okay. Take this giant black marker. Sorry to make fun. Okay. Eyes, and the mouth. Okay, looking pretty good. Now we made the final part. Okay, so I skipped all this. Okay, the face is so cute. Okay. So the final part is we need to do this filled with water. Look how cool this is. So awesome. This is so awesome. Bye.